Hi, my name is Michelle Kelly. In this video, I will discuss the professional dispositions and which dispositions I already possess that will make me a successful teacher and which dispositions that I need to work on before I start in an actual classroom. The dispositions I already feel strong in are compassion, which I feel is my strongest disposition because I've always been good at understanding and sympathizing with others, and I've always cared a lot for others' feelings and their struggles. I feel I'm also strong in fairness because one of the things I feel is often overlooked, but is definitely one of the most important. I usually always try to use this disposition in multiple aspects of my life, be it in my family life or in my classroom with my preschool students. I I have seen how unfairness can affect students in a negative way, as well as not being consistent with consequences and outcomes. So it's just an area I have a lot of practice in. I feel dedication also because I've always dreamed of being an educator, and I feel there is nothing more important than educating and guiding our future generations. And I feel my other dispositions also strengthen my dedication and my resolve to the field of education further. Specifically, I feel I have a lot of strong areas. Those are just the ones I feel the most confident in. Some of the different dispositions I feel I need to work on is high expectations, because I think often with young children, it is hard for me to push them too much because I worry that I might be too hard on them or that I'll overwhelm them and maybe they won't perform as well as they would have if maybe I did things in a different way or I was more patient. So I don't want to push it too much, but I think I really do need to work on just having a good balance for them of the expectations. Another area I feel I need to improve on would be reflection. I know that at least with myself, it can be really hard to see my own progress. So I think it's an important skill that I need to work on so that in the future with my own students that I always see where they start and then where they are in the present so that I can give them proper feedback and make sure that they are progressing and that I don't overlook that progress. The qualities I think a professional educator should have are empathy and compassion, as well as be a strong communicator. It also helps if the teacher is patient, optimistic, and has a positive attitude and is flexible. In education, anything can happen, as well as having all different types of students with different needs. And these qualities make for a much more successful and adaptable classroom for all of them.